everybody, how are you? My name is Wendy Sigala with Sigala Designs. I'm currently at the shop and I'm bringing you on a little behind the scenes. And I'm doing this for you. I'm not supposed to be doing this. I might get in trouble. But I wanted to show you because I got a couple people asking, when did you guys really design, manufacture, paint, and do all these things that you show us? Yes, we do. So I wanted to bring you with me behind the scenes around the shop. And this is only what we have been working on for the past couple days. We are doing production on all this, the 5VM, the appearance packages, the engine covers, we have the Z51 Front Splitter, we have the side rockers. So I wanted to show you what we currently have at the shop that we have been working on for the past few days. So you wanna come with me? Let me show you. Okay, so here we are inside the paint booth, and yes, that is it. That is a 5VM front splitter, and this one is painted carbon flash. So this actually got painted like in the last hour. There's also an appearance package. Beautiful piece. Yep, there it is. And then on this side, we have the 5VM side skirts, also painted carbon flash. So that is the set right there. So this just got painted. There's one side, there's the other side. Over here we have a Z51 Front Splitter, also painted carbon flash. There you can see it. And then I'm gonna show you something that I haven't showed you. There's my car right there. I'm gonna show you something that we haven't shown you before. And this is a painted engine cover. This is an Accelerate Yellow. This is for a customer. So it got painted earlier today too. Now you guys wanna go out there? There it is. I can't show you much, but let's go out there. Okay, so there's my car. I can't really show you what we're doing because obviously I'm not even supposed to be here at the shop, but it's a little messy. We've been working all day. Here is a 5500 hood, double carbon. We do a lot of parts for Mustangs and we do Camaro. I mean, we pretty much do everything. We do a lot of private label as well. But here is my car. Can't wait to drive it and take it out on the road again. But you know what? I'm gonna show you something. See if you guys like it, and I wanna know what you guys think, okay? I'm gonna show you something real quick. And this is something that I came out with. Like this idea, I really, really liked it. So I still don't know what to call it, but I want you to tell me what you guys think. I would call it like a headlight. I don't know if I should call it eyelash, eyeliner, maybe because I'm a girl, but look, it actually looks perfect. So it's in there, perfect. It has a 3M underside of adhesive, so it goes on there really, really well. Okay, that's the only thing I'm gonna show you, but let me know what you guys think. See, close up. I actually love it. Okay, let me know what you guys think. Over here, well, there's some 3D printed parts, working on the bumper. And over here, I'm gonna show you more hoods, the spoiler, and here is all the C8 stuff. Okay, so there you see all the door moldings, the quarter panel moldings. We have a roof. You guys know what those are, the seatbelt covers. We have more engine, the engine cover. That one's also gonna be painted. You guys can see the front grille vessels. There's some appearance packages that are gonna be painted, either carbon flash or any factory color. I don't know what that red stuff is. I don't really get into too much detail as far as that, but there you can see that. We have over here some fiberglass Z51 front splitters. We have all the side rockers. There you have them, all those sets. We have another appearance package that is being worked on. Over here, we start with the 5VM. See, so we have fiberglass, we have carbon fiber. This is it, guys. We do have them, and yes, they are getting worked on and ready to ship. So we have so many orders. There's some Mustang stuff. There's a cow panel, girl delete. Okay, and over here we have the 5VM front splitters. So check that out. We have carbon fiber, carbon fiber, carbon fiber, fiberglass, carbon fiber, and fiberglass. And that is just what we are working on at the moment. So as you can see, yes, all your orders are gonna be going out. Every day we manufacture more and more. We actually can't keep up with all the orders, but here they are. So I just wanted to show you, I just want you guys to see There's the guy still working back there, but I just wanted to show you how we are making the parts. Everything is shipping out, and this car, I can't wait to drive it. I actually can't wait to drive it. So you guys already know, I'm gonna link the video below if you guys haven't seen it, on how it's gonna look when it's converted into the C8RR, which is a wide body. So here it is, guys. Let me know what you guys think, and make sure to share the video too. I would love for you guys to share it, for you guys to show people that here are all your parts, and more coming soon. So this is it for this video. I just wanted to bring you with me and show you what we have been working in the last couple days. Make sure to subscribe, leave your comments below. We'll have more videos like this one. All of information to social media will be in the description box. My name is Wendy Sigala with Sigala Designs, and we'll see you on the next video.